Everybody defines technology a little differently. We define technology as anything that enhances human capability. Technology is the fleet of forklifts that load your products to be delivered across the world. It's the MRI machine that the radiologist uses to detect cancer in patients. It's the excavator used to build the new school in your community. And yeah, technology also includes the services and devices that connect you to your customers. Whether it's the capital you need for the equipment to run your business, or the services you need to connect your business, it's technology. And that's what we've been delivering to our customers for over 40 years.